Now here comes my favorite part where I'm going to tell you about the multifunctional benefits of this juicer machine. You're going to be able to make not only juice but also nut milk and sherbet. And of course, in this specific scenario, you can easily make nut milk from all the nuts that come to your mind. Maybe almond, Greek nuts, or multiple others. Now I'm going to make oat milk because eventually you can make also oat milk. For that, I'm going to need oats. And of course, it comes with the ratio of 1 to 3, 4 ratio of nuts and water that I'm going to use in the same container on top in order to add oats or nuts, whatever you have in your household or in the store. Of course, a 3-4 ratio of water. Then, of course, for the flavor, I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. And then, of course, in order to bring some sweetness to that, I'm going to add a small spoon of honey. And take a look at that. The oats are literally coming through that side, eventually blending it with the water and the mix that I make in order to make that outstanding taste of oat milk. I'm literally super satisfied by this juicer machine. Take a look at that. Now I'm making my own oat milk. Now, can you imagine the amplitude of your saving when you're going to start making your own nut milk in order for you to add it to your coffee or eventually give it to your kids? Because I'm pretty sure you know that the nut milk is more healthier than the regular milk. Overall, I think that this multifunctional cold press juicer is a great add-on to your healthy habits. And of course, this is a great idea as a gift to someone that you care about, or eventually to yourself. So if you guys need a cold press juicer, this one is definitely a recommendation from me.